South Florida and Carolinas region. Let's begin over South Florida, where a deep, layered subtropical ridge dominates overhead, anchored across the Atlantic and Gulf, suppressing large-scale ascent and keeping mid-upper levels relatively dry, even while abundant low-level moisture persists. During the early hours, a surface trough bisects the peninsula, spawning scattered overnight thunderstorms, most notably in interior Glades County, where heavy rain triggered flood advisories. As the sun rises, daytime heating, sea breezes from both coasts and high moist static instability, Cape exceeding approximately 2,000 joules per kilogram, and precipitable water around 1.8 to 2.0 inches, combine to fuel afternoon and early evening thunderstorm clusters, especially inland and southwest of the coasts. The local sea-land interactions are key. East and west coast sea breezes collide inland, lifting warm, moist air into very unstable layers beneath dry mid-levels, promoting strong updrafts, frequent lightning, localized flooding, and even marginally severe sells. Highest rainfall totals of 3 to 5 inches per hour are possible in some interior zones, raising hydro concerns even without outright flash flood warnings. Daytime highs reach the lower to mid-90s along the coast, climbing into the upper 90s inland, while dew points in the mid to upper 70s yield heat indices of 105 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite flirting with heat advisory thresholds, broad coverage remains just below criteria, though outdoor activity demands caution. The aviation message, VFR conditions prevail, though scattered thunderstorms may produce erratic winds and brief MVFR conditions near storm cores. Light and variable winds overnight shift to southeasterly 10 knots by midday, with Gulf breezes developing at Tampa Bay metro airports. Synoptically, the ridge will gradually break down later in the week as a mid-level trough digs south off the Carolinas, splitting the subtropical high and steering a stalled frontal boundary into northern Florida by late week. Moisture convergence increases the storm coverage Sunday into early next week, even along the East Coast metro corridor, though inland Florida remains favored. To wrap up today's weather across Florida and the Southeast, we're dealing with sea breeze-driven convection in a warm, moist, and weakly capped environment, ideal for thunderstorms but not organized severe weather. From a pilot standpoint, expect brief, locally impactful thunderstorms this afternoon and evening in many areas east of the Mississippi and through the central south. Wind shifts, occasional moderate turbulence beneath cumulonimbus tops, and reduced visibilities in downpours are your main tactical concerns. From a meteorologist's view, today reflects the delicate interplay of weakening synoptic control and strong mesoscale thermodynamics, hallmarks of the late summer transitional season.